What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Birds of Squalor vlog. I had to take my brother to the mechanic earlier, so I missed a little bit of the action in transit. Everybody's here, we're hanging out, we're doing a bunch of practice for our show next weekend, and yeah, we're just gonna go check out and see what's going on. What the fuck, guys? He's gone for like 30 minutes. Are you fucking shitting me? What are you doing, Nate?
Oh, just in time.
We are planning the music video and Rob's playing guitars.
For some reason, I don't know why.
AT&T.
Because it's AT&T. There you go. Bam.
Oh, well, yeah. You don't got Spectrum? What the fuck? You got Spectrum?
Yeah, does it still work?
Someone save me if you will, and take away all these bills, and please just save me.
Oh, hi, Brittany.
Hi.
What's up, everybody in Birdland, Ozland, America, whatever sense of reality you're living in this current state. We're up here in the top part of my barn, putting some stuff together as we're shooting our first ever music video.
You're not gonna get that basketball hoop in.
Why don't you just put your drum kit together and shut the fuck up?
Yeah. You guys must have got the light bulb in motion video and then smash it as it goes back to us. We put Davey up a little bit before I come in a little bit.
Okay. Hey. All right, Miss Junior Videographer, how was your first ever music video shoot?
Don't ask me to do this again.
She did great, everybody. And here we see in the wild a Nathan Diggs as he does the ceremonial Saturday night of becoming a raccoon to go forage in the urban environment for leftover pizza and chicken wings. Music video shoot, day one, 12 hours in. It's been miserable. Hope you enjoy it. Music video?
What?
It's going great. I'm having a great time with the music video recording.
Yeah?
It's looking good. It's looking good. It was a little hot, a little sticky, but we'll manage.
Not taking as much time as you thought, right? I mean, when you got
it's about on par.
all Joe's fuck ups, I mean, it takes a little time, but recording the music video, your opinions as of today? How'd it go?
Man, just kidding.
Man, just kidding.
It's really fun. It's been a lot of new experiences, a lot of lessons learned, a lot of trial and error, but I'm very happy and proud of the product.
Chris, you ain't gonna see this till I move, so I just wanna let you know. You a bitch! So is Joe. This is a stroller from 1805.
Some say the baby that was carried around in that is dead to this day.
as you can see, oh, hold on. 12:34 a.m. We've been going since about 9 this morning, and this is what keeps us going.